such a lie. It's good. Something about change my state of mind.
Ganda ng city tour namin.
Ubus na lang yan sa kanya. Beijing na lang yan.
Na-drop off muna yung mga luggages sa Angelic Mansion.
Oo. Lusot ka, kuya. Wale. Sige, baba muna kami.
Ang una naming stop ay mga pasalubong area.
Kaya nga natin isa.
It's Arturo.
Ito natin yung isa.
Ano yan? Pangalan ka na?
Taro proper.
Ayun lang. Pasalubong lang sa mga nasa Metro Manila.
Not. It's the architectural design of this house is suitable on high places. Let's go. 1.5. Ang Puerto Princesa is, if you're going to north, I think the boundary is within 85 kilometers and going south is 62. Palawan is elongated island. So you only have north.
Oh, old house. Ito pa ng manok. Kaya nga. Tumikiling mo naman sa Baguio. What's in here? Sino siya dyan? Oh.
Mukha siyang ano eh.
Ayun yung kabayo niya, oh. Yung kanina dyan sa labas.
Hindi napatay na yun, syempre yung kabayo
Oh.
niya.
Altar. Uy, si Big Soto. Big Soto ba yan? Yaman siguro nila, no?
Tinan mo mga ito.
Ganda
Hirap
dito
na
ang
hirap siguro
presko.
yung mga anay dyan.
Yan yung taas. We are here in Baker's Hill.
Kainan na.
Marami daw foodies dito. And
Mamaya
mga
tiyan natin dito.
kopya.
Dito. Natin. Yung bakers doon. Para alam ko na mamaya mga titirahin ko.
Sister company daw ng Tipas Hopia. But according to our tour guide, mas masarap daw ito sa Tipas Hopia. Kaso wala na yung recommended na hopya na baboy. Sayang.
Asan? Ay. Baker's Hill.
Fulfill nila na yan.
Ayun ang milky.
Gusto ko yung fresh.
Fruits, ganun. Kaya kita kami. Pizza. Ito, ito. Ito, Baker's Kitchen Restaurant to parang.
Hanap kami ng food.
It's asado.
Garden and second part at the tribal village. But ma'am sir, before you proceed, let me introduce first the pride of Palawan. So ma'am and sir, it is Palawan Peacock Pheasant, but it's locally known as Tandikan. So the more colorful here, the blue one, that's the milk called peacock. And the brown one there, that's the female, it's called peahen. So they're native all over the world. They can found only here in Palawan. And also, that's fully grown size. They won't grow like other peacock because if you saw a bigger peacock here, those are imported from other country. And ma'am sir,
Okay.
Ay, ito yung ano.
yan po mga view pa ng butterfly. Third stage. Mga real po yan ang live, pero yung iba wala ng laman.
Ilang ano po, kinds of butterflies mo ngayon?
As of na po yun nasa loob ng mga butterfly, siguro mga 5 to 8 species po yun. Pero mostly, and siya yung mata niya nasa ibabaw. Hello!
Pusa.
Bear nata?
Palawan bear cat. Maninay! Tulog sila. Yun yung tenga. Maninay!
Kaya na.
Ay, cute naman. Ay, pusa din talaga.
Mga endemic na animals in Palawan.
Yung makainan nila pang pusa din. Sarap naman tulog.
Palawan. Bearded pig. Labo.
Masarap lang asarin.
Ayun.
Lahat tayo aakit dito ng tribal village kasi tayo batch po po. Diyan po may crocodile din na medyo malaki-laki. Mga 11 years old pa.
Sige po.
11 years old crocodile.
Ito.
So everybody just cross the road and you will see flags. Just enter that.
I will be your interpreter since the tribes here have their own dialect they call Palauan. They can understand Tagalog, some of them can speak Tagalog, but they prefer using their dialect. Okay, so, Maman, Minan, tumagna na. Okay, so they said, Manungang Mapon, that means good afternoon. If you want to greet them good afternoon, you can say, Manungang Mapon.
Ano nga nga po?
Yes. So, in the mainland of Palawan, there are three major tribes. The Batak tribes, the Tagbanwa tribes, and lastly are them, the Palauan tribes. The Palauan tribes are the original inhabitants of the southern part of Palawan, and they are the possible descendants of the Tabunman. Are you familiar with the Tabunman? The caveman that lived here for thousands of years. And this place, it became their temporary home. Since 1976, they come here to sell their handmade products. And some of them visit to stay here for at least a couple of months, weeks, or a few nights. It depends on how long they want to stay. Some of them stays for one night. After that, they go back at the mountains. That is about 200 kilometers away from here. And what we have here is a livelihood program or project because we noticed that some of their cultures, the traditions are slowly disappearing because of the life modernization. They are exposed. So with the help of this livelihood program, we encourage them to at least continue to share the rich cultures and tradition. So, Mama, paberi na bagtik ninyo. Is what they call bagtik. Bagtik is a sap or a resin. Dagta po ito from Almasiga. Almasiga is a large tree that can only be found in a few weeks or 1 month. Ganito na siya katigas or this will be hard enough to like a rock. And then they will bring it here because this resin is the main ingredient in making our paints, varnish, fiberglass, nail polish, and other related products. And this is flammable or pwedeng pampalinas. This full po, they tie the back so that the products won't fall. Gimbal is a hollow wood that they carve, and on top is an animal skin. And then at the back, we have the agong, they call. The smaller ones are called sanang. In the mountains, if we hear this echo, it means that they are communicating with the spirits of their ancestors. So now they will play all these instruments together. They call it basal. Basal, di ba mga... The Palauan tribes already have their 2-string guitar they call kudyapi or kudlungan. I'm sure some of you are familiar with kudyapi, considered as one of the first guitar here in the Philippines. So now let's hear them play the kudyapi. Sige, Mama. Okay, so that's there. Maman. Native cotton, first material. Second material, we have flintstones or buhay na bato. And for the last one, we have a piece of metal. That process is called santikan. It means to strike or friction. See, that's the spark or the friction. Ito mga. Ito yung gamit ni Mama Ninggi pag nagpa-apoy siya. So, according to them, these metals that they have here, the agong, the spears, the string, these are from the barter trading long time ago. Or pakikipagpalitan from other countries. I'm not really sure but I think these are from Majapahit Empire. Before Palawan was discovered po. Ang sakit naman, ang hirap pa. According to them, the children up in the mountains, at least 8 to 10 years old, they teach them already how to make fire because it's part of their survival. Like right now, most of the children po, they went back to study. They have basic education. Some of them, they go down here to because it smells good. Insect repellents also and to cure illnesses like headaches and stomach aches. So Maman, his name is Pidong and he's the one of the elders here that teach the children po. Kasi yung kanina po dito si Alvin, yung nagpapa-apoy, bago-bago pa lang siya dito. So they just come and go lang talaga. It depends on them po yan. So sinasanay nila yung mga kabataan dito. Magsukur. Now Maman Pidong is at least 2 years ka na dito. 2 taon na, di ba, Maman? 2 taon. 2 years na po siya dito. So this again is their native torch that smells really good. So try to smell the torch po to everyone. I will go around you. Try nyo po amoy.
Venom, but their venom is mildly. So they are mildly venomous. We have a lot of them here in Palawan. Actually, you can find them in the house of locals po here. So they... Okay, in there po, we have a giant Philippines. They're just there. Just like dead ones. But no, they're not dead. Tiredness, it's harmless, they don't bite. Their defense mechanism, they does.
Parang mantis ba to?
You can hold that, ma'am and sir. As
Ay, hindi siya maano.
But when they get hurt, ma'am and sir, they are going to release some smelly fluid. That's a toxin of them. It can burn the skin of a seaman. If the toxin accidentally goes to our eyes, we can feel an eye irritation.
Magkano?
We are here now in Binuwatan. Weaving.
Ano ba? Tayo mo, bigyan kita.
Kayo po. Ganun lang po. Like to try?
1 week na siya natapos lang. Kung gusto mo tapos yun.
1 week
Balik ka na lang
isang
tayo.
ganyan?
Yes po. Pero 30 meters na po yan. Dito po na napupulo sa araw-araw siya ganyan. Pero kada araw po nagagawa namin 5 to 10 meters.
Kung
Depende sa bilis.
may chance tayo ma-hire to,
Upo, basta marunong na.
ayun,
Okay na. Pasak na.
love, dito ka na.
Then po ay pang placement tsaka table runners. Meron din kami pang bag and bag. Sabay lipat ng paa, sabay hila.
Lakasan mo pareho.
Po, medyo may force kapag ano.
Para ma-stock siya ng maayos.
Dalawang kamay.
Sir, picturean ko din nga si ma'am. Ma'am, diyan ka lang.
Ay, sige po.
Sir, excuse lang.
Sige
Sir,
na
ng
po,
konti
sige.
ah. Sige ma'am. Tingin kunwari. Kunwari professional ka.
Hawakan niyo mami yung ano.
Ay, tingin dito ma'am ah. Nice.
Yan ang gamit po namin gas ay Pico Grass. Ayan po yan sa taas. Yan yung natural color niya. Nakikita ko sa...
Ito yung mga gawang bag. So, ganda. Ito, 599.
Okay. I don't know if that's the same term that you use in your country. Settlers.
Huwag na magpayang lab ha. Meron na
Destroyed by a huge fire. Ano kuya? Riding ko na lang tayo. Pero dahan-dahan lang.
Dito kami sa Puerto Princesa Baywalk.
Ayun yung may McToys. Hindi ko di natin pupunta niyang bukas. Yung McToys.
Medyo mainit siya. Thank you. Sinigang na tuna belly.